Number 8. In a length of DNA, 20% of the bases were T. What is the percentage of base G in this length of DNA? So, DNAs have bases in it. And DNAs are made of nucleotides. And the nucleotides have bases, and there are 4 types of bases: A, T, C, G. There's a rule that A and T binds together, and C and G binds together as well. And this rule is called complementary base pairing. Okay, so it says 20% of the DNA, or 20% of the bases in the DNA, were T. So T, let's count 20, which means it will only bind with A. So there are 20% of A's as well, A bases. So they'll make up 40%, and of course the rest, C and G together, they'll make up 60%. So if you just divide 60% by 2, then you get 30%. So there are about 30% of C's and 30% of G's. Hence, the answer should be C for this one. All right?